Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to delete browsing data on Android phone. Go to the browser app. This could be Chrome or another browser installed on your phone. Once the browser is open, now see the screen for the menu icon. It usually appears as 3 dots or a more symbol. Tap on that icon to open the menu. Next, find and tap on the settings option. This will open a page where you can control different features of the browser. Now see privacy and security. Tap on it to open it. Next, you will see an option called delete browsing data or clear browsing data. Tap on this option. A new screen will appear showing different types of data you can remove. These may include browsing history, cookies, cached images and files, saved passwords, and site settings. Next, choose the items you want to delete by checking the boxes next to them. You will also see a time range option. This lets you decide whether to delete data from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Now, tap the Delete Data button to remove the selected information from your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.